How to deactivate your Instagram account temporarily. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can deactivate your Instagram account temporarily. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First, open up your Insta and make sure you're logged in. Then you can head over to the bottom right corner of your Insta and you should be on your profile icon. Now tap on the three lines on the top right. After you do that, there you will see an option that says your account. Tap on your account and you should be on your Meta account center. After you're there, scroll down until you find account settings. There you'll need to head over to your information and permission. My bad. You'll need to head over to your personal details. And there you'll find your account ownership and control. Tap on it. There you'll find deactivation or deletion. Tap on that and you'll get two options. Choose your account first. Then we'll get two options right here. Now deactivate account is temporary, whereas delete account is permanent. If we don't want to delete our account, we just want to deactivate it. Select that and then tap on continue. From here, tap on continue again. And all you have to do is type in your password. After you type in your password, your account will be deactivated. And it's that simple. If you want to reactivate your account, all you have to do is log in back into your account and then your account will be reactivated. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Take care.